Estonia Digital Work Visa. 75,000 plus job vacancies nationwide. Estonia faces labor shortages in information technology, construction, manufacturing, transport, healthcare, logistics, agriculture, and hospitality sectors. Labor market statistics are monitored by Statistics Estonia and the Estonian Unemployment Insurance Fund, Töötukassa. Top 10 white-collar jobs facing worker shortages in Estonia. Software developers, IT system administrators, cybersecurity specialists, electrical engineers, mechanical engineers, financial analysts and accountants, doctors and medical specialists, pharmacists, data analysts and data scientists, project managers, IT and engineering. Top 10 blue-collar jobs with worker shortages in Estonia. Construction workers, truck drivers, electricians, plumbers, welders, carpenters, industrial mechanics, warehouse workers, machine operators, agricultural workers. Average salary 1,800 to 2,000 euros per month. Full-time employees earn wages depending on sector, experience, and qualifications. Higher salaries are generally found in Tallinn, Tartu, Pärnu, and Narva, where most economic and industrial activity is concentrated. Unemployment rate around 6 to 7%. Estonia maintains a stable labor market. According to Statistics Estonia, unemployment remains around 6 to 7%, although many industries continue to face labor shortages due to an aging workforce and increasing demand for skilled professionals. Work 40 hours per week. The standard full-time working week in Estonia is 40 hours, regulated under the Estonian Employment Contracts Act. Minimum 28 paid leave days per year. Employees are legally entitled to at least 28 calendar days of paid annual leave, in addition to official public holidays. Minimum salary approximate 820 euros per month. Estonia's national minimum wage is approximately 820 euros per month, regulated by the Estonian government and reviewed periodically. Personal income tax 20%. Estonia applies a flat personal income tax rate of 20% on employment income, along with mandatory social security contributions.